Hey you guys, I'm super excited to hop on and highlight this amazing low carb rice cooker that I just got sent. This thing is really cool and it's also really multifunctional. You can use it for a lot more than just rice. It can be a hot pot. You can do like timed settings, so you can actually put your stuff in like a while in before and then have it cook for a certain amount of time. And you can also do a quick cook or a low carb cook. Now this thing is amazing and I'm super excited about it. So it comes in these different pieces. So there's the lid, there's the basket portion, and then there's the actual cooker portion. So right now I'm gonna cook some rice for my family dinner, and I'm gonna have you guys do it with me so you can see how well it works. And we're gonna do the quick mode on this one. So like I said, super functional, absolutely love it. We've got the low carb quick mode, we have our on off button, and then we have low carb regular mode. And then like I said, we can do firepower, we can go up or down on that. We can choose to do the hot pot as well as the timer or a preset. So this is like the most functional rice cooker I've ever had, and I'm super excited about it. So let's check this out together, you guys. Absolutely amazing, really quality, and also a very beautiful rice cooker. It is a great capacity as well, which is super nice. I just absolutely love this one. I am really excited about it. Now let's make some rice together. All right, you guys, so here we go. I'm gonna originally add in my rice, the amount that I want, and then it's gonna go right there in that canister. This is the setup when you have it ready to roll. So you're gonna put this little grater in there, and then you're going to put your rice in, and then you're going to add in your water. If you are doing the low carb, you want it to be about 2 centimeters above the rice as far as where the water is going to go to. So you're going to add this in just like I have it. Super simple and easy. I'm just going to add in that last little bit so that I've got enough water to make sure that I am not going to burn my rice. Then I'm going to slide the lid on, and it's going to be cook time. So slide it on, I'm going to push the power button, and then I'm going to do the low carb quick rice, which is super simple. It automatically sets that. You don't have to do anything, and then it turns on. You can see that the lights are moving in here so that it's doing that quick cook. And you can see everything through the glass on the sides, which I absolutely love. I think this is amazing. And then here is what it looks like while it is cooking. It does a really good job of cooking this rice. You guys, I've got to say, this is the softest rice I have ever had out of a rice cooker. And then when it's done, it actually lifts up. So it's going to lift the container right there automatically. You don't have to do that. And then your rice is done. Look at this fluffy, beautiful rice, you guys. I am so excited. Best rice I've had. I am super stoked about this one. So make sure you guys hop on and check this one out.